ചെങ്ങന്മാരെ ഞാൻ ETO. Today I am carrying out the monthly routine of alternator. And here this part is exciter stator and this one is exciter rotor. And here we can see the main stator windings. Stator is the stationary part of alternator where the three-phase output voltage is generated. And this one is main rotor which rotates inside the stator and create magnetic field. And this part is rotating rectifier which convert AC into DC and it feeds to main rotor winding. This one is space heater. The purpose is to keep the alternator windings warm when the generator is stopped. The alternator winding we can clean by using a dry compressed air. And the regular cleaning helps to prevent overheating of components. During the routine job, we also inspect and clean the cable terminals, bus bar and electrical connections.
Crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be lame team. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do it flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
A clean alternator means better cooling and improved insulation and higher reliability. And a simple monthly inspection and cleaning routine can significantly improve our alternator reliability and help unexpected power failure on board.